Let's go and get the new iPad. Although I'm not sure yet which one I'm gonna get, iPad Air or iPad Pro. But there is one thing I'm sure of. If I go for iPad Air, I'm definitely gonna go for Starlight color. Now, there are many reasons behind me deciding to go for iPad Pro, but we will talk about it in my next video. Now, before I start hunting down for a perfect wallpaper for my new iPad, I have to get done with the accessories business, which means that I have to make sure that my iPad is well protected, and hence the first thing I'm gonna do is get the screen protector on. It's by ESR and it came at a price of ₹1139 at the time I bought it, and I bought it from Amazon. The link is going to be in the description box, and I hope that putting it on is not going to be so tough because I'm doing it for the first time, and if I don't get it done right, I'm gonna have an existential crisis. So first we have to fit in the iPad in this cutout that we get, and then we have to clean the dust off with the wipes that we get along with it, and I'm also going to use this sticker to just clean the remaining dust off. And then we have to put on the screen protector like this. You will see all the designated areas where it will fit correctly, and peel off the sticker, and that's it, I think. Yeah, it's done. And we have to just press it now for 10 seconds. This is what the manual says, but I always wait for it to settle down and stick nicely, and that's why it's like going to be like 30 to 60 seconds for me. We are in no rush. I don't know if this effort is futile to make it done successfully, but I'm gonna do it either way. And now it's time to take it off. And we have a bubble. Excellent. So I have this bubble remover I got with my speak and tempered glass from my iPhone 15. I'm glad I decided to hold on to it because it's really useful. Made it really squeaky clean, the whole experience of putting on the tempered glass. And now it's time for the cover. I'm the most excited for it because I got it in pink color. I was actually scared that it's not in pink color because on the cover, like on the box, it was all in black. So I was like, did this in the wrong color to me? I didn't want that. But thankfully it was pink, and I think it's the perfect shade of pink. Like, it's just so good. Like, I didn't know that the color is going to be exactly like how it was in the picture, and it's not, but however it is, it's perfect. I love it. So first we have to put on this transparent case on the iPad, and once it's done, then we can use it magnetically on the thing, on the flap cover that we get with it. So now it's going to stick on the flap cover like this. It works. Now, as per the ritual, the first app I'm going to install on my iPad is Pinterest. Like, the number of iPhones I have gotten till now, the first app I installed on them was always Pinterest, always. So yeah, it's going to be the same on my iPad as well because they have the best wallpapers. But I'm not sure if it's going to be the same for iPad because the resolution for iPad wallpapers needs to be much more higher. So I hope that I get some aesthetic wallpapers, but if not, then I'm gonna get some pictures for the widgets anyway. And the pictures are perfect, they are aesthetic, but I don't know how they are going to look resolution wise, and I was right. The pictures looked terrible as wallpapers. They just looked so much pixelated and everything. So I downloaded one wallpaper from Unsplash and edited it on Pixart, added this text with pink color and drew a heart, and now it looks aesthetic much for me to, pass it as a wallpaper. What do you think? Did I do a decent job at it? Let me know in the comments. To me, it looks perfect. The blueberry wallpaper with pink text, pink heart, and the pink flap case with my Apple Pencil. I love it. Also, the link for the case is going to be in the description box as well.